Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new number concept series book 1. Now open at page number 29. Children, in this page we will count and match. We will count the picture and match with the correct number. So children, start our work. So children, how many stars are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 stars. So where is number 4? Yes, this is number 4. So we will match number 4 with 4 stars like this. Okay, children, what are these? Yes, these are fishes. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 fishes. So children, tell me, where is number 3? Yes, this is number 3. So we will match number 3 with the 3 fishes. And what is this? Yes, this is a dog. This is a brown dog. And this is only one dog. So children, where is number 1? Yes, this is number 1. So we will match number 1 with the one dog. Like this. And what are these? Yes, these are horses. How many horses are there? Let's count. 1, 2. These are 2 horses. The children, where is number 2? Yes, this is number 2. So we will match number 2 with 2 horses. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home. And now open.